Samsung POWERbot R7010 Mechanism Vacuum. The Samsung POWERbot R7010 is handily the simplest entry-level choice out there, that includes an occasional profile, powerful suction, and therefore the technical school giant's latest generation mapping technical school. Compared to past Samsung POWERbot models, the R7010 conjointly offers improved reach in edges and corners. On the market completely on Amazon, the POWERbot R7010 lacks wireless property and smartphone or Alexa controls, though this is not a surprise considering its tag. Different key options of the vacuum embrace a wash and wear filter, intelligent power management, and a large jazz group brush. iRobot Roomba 690 Mechanism Vacuum. The reasonable iRobot Roomba 690 includes a low profile and therefore the ability to regulate to all or any floor sorts. It mechanically docks once cleanup, and it comes with virtual wall technical school to stay it solely within the rooms you wish. On the market, Wi-Fi property permits you to regulate the mechanism vacuum via a smartphone app. Support for Amazon Alexa is additionally on board. With a 3-stage cleanup system, the Roomba 690 will handle mud, hair, and bigger items of dirt. An aspect brush is additionally on board for reaching edges and corners. You'll be able to schedule up to 7 cleanup sessions per week ahead. Neato Botvac Connected Mechanism Vacuum. Laser mapping is the feature that sets the Neato Botvac connected, excluding all of its competitors. Usually utilized in self-driving cars, the technology permits the mechanism vacuum to scan and consistently clean areas, furthermore as simply avoid obstacles. Additionally to its clever mapping technical school, the Botvac connected options Amazon Alexa support via Wi-Fi property. You'll be able to conjointly management the device via smartphone app. LG Hom-Bot Square VR65704 LVM Mechanism Vacuum. The LG Hom-Bot Square VR65704LVM may be a capable mechanism vacuum with up to 100 minutes of battery life and an inventive mapping system that helps it learn the layout of your home and avoid obstacles. LG's providing is additionally one amongst the quietest choices around, with 60 decibels of noise in the traditional mode. The Hom-Bot Square will not simply vacuum, it will conjointly mop your floors. It will mechanically resume cleanup wherever it left off if interrupted. The vacuum comes with a distant management that permits you to schedule cleanup sessions and modify its settings. iRobot Roomba 980 Mechanism Vacuum. The Roomba 980 is the most capable vacuum iRobot presently offers. It options clever visual localization-based navigation that enables it to scrub entire house floors, and its additional powerful suction than the other Roomba mechanism vacuum. Dominant, the Roomba 980 needs a smartphone app wherever you'll be able to schedule cleanup sessions and manage its settings. The vacuum has Wi-Fi property, permitting you to regulate it remotely. It will clean unceasingly for up to 2 hours on a battery charge.